Ooh, before I start making the video, is this too cool? I could not miss this. This is the sunset over in Panama City Beach. Is that cool or what? Wow. Look at, nobody's here. Beach is empty. Look at that sky. Man. Okay. Well, come on. This is an inspiration to do math. Let's go on back in. There's Juicy. Come on, Juicy. Let's go make a video, okay? Come on. Let's go do a little video for everybody. All right? All right, y'all come with me to the table. Let me find my pen. Here we go. And this is going to be, hey Zeus, I love you too. This is going to be question number 8, okay? The question wants to know if f of x is a one-to-one function. Now the first function they give me, or the first function I created, was f of x equals x squared plus 1. Now you know, without even plotting points or using your graphing calculator, that if I draw that, this is going to be a parabola, right? A basic parabola. The plus 1 means we're going to shift it up 1 unit. So instead of its vertex being at the origin, its vertex will be at the ordered pair 0, 1. Now, if I ask you the question, is this a one-to-one function, you know that you have 2 tests you have to apply. You need to apply the vertical line test, first of all, to make sure that it's a function, and then you need to apply the horizontal line test to make sure that it's actually one-to-one. Well, you can pretty well see here, if I draw that red line, that's a vertical line, it crosses the graph once. Any vertical line I draw. So a parabola is definitely a function, but where I lose it is when I go to apply the horizontal line test. Look what happens. It crosses the graph twice, and that means that even though it's a function, it's not a one-to-one function, because when you try to form the inverse, those two, what are currently 2 y values, will become 2 x values, and the inverse will not be a function. So the answer to this question, the first one, is no. And in fact, think about it. Let me try to kill those lights for you. There we go. Any parabola that you draw is that opens up or down is going to be a function, but it's never going to be a one-to-one function. Okay, second graph. Suppose I give you the function y equals e to the x. E to the x is Euler's function. You can graph that on your calculator by going, zoom 6 gives you a standard window, and then you're going to type y equals, and to get to Euler's function, you're going to hit second function ln. That gives you e caret, and then a left paren, you will type in an x and a right paren, and you will draw the graph, and it will look something like this. Now, what I want you to remember about that graph, and Euler's function, in fact, any exponential function, you have an asymptote, which I'm drawing in for you in green, a broken line, and the equation of that asymptote is the line y equals 0. Now, is this a one-to-one function? Well, as a matter of fact, it is. If I draw a vertical line, it only crosses the graph 1 time, which means it is a function. If I draw a horizontal line, no matter what horizontal line I draw, any place I draw it, it only crosses the graph 1 time. So therefore, not only is this a function, which of course that notation kind of gave away that it was a function, but it passed the vertical line test Now it also passes the horizontal line test. So yes, let me get it here. Yes, Euler's function is a one-to-one function. And we're done.